Hello, today we will guide you through how to create gallery filters in Squarespace with gallery image hover effects. To get started, open your Squarespace site and head into the site dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct site so the changes apply where you expect. From the main navigation, choose Website to access the controls you'll use throughout this walkthrough. This is the hub where you can manage pages, design, and custom code. Next, go to Pages. This is where your site's structure lives. Locate the gallery page or section where you want the filters and hover effects to appear and open it. Having the gallery visible while you work makes it easier to preview the results as you go. Now move into custom code. This area lets you add small enhancements that go beyond the default settings. From there, open Custom CSS. The Custom CSS editor is where you'll paste the style rules that create both the filter styling and the hover behavior. It's a good idea to keep a copy of your original styles saved elsewhere just in case you want to roll back. Before adding code, enable your Squarespace ID Finder extension from your browser toolbar. With it on, hover over elements in your gallery to reveal their unique IDs and class names. These identifiers are essential because your CSS needs to target the correct gallery wrapper, items, and any labels or categories you plan to filter. Paste your first block of CSS into the editor. This initial snippet typically handles the overall gallery look and sets a default state for images, such as a muted or grayscale appearance. It can also style your filter controls so visitors can easily see which category is active. If your gallery template differs, adjust the selectors to match the IDs you just inspected. Use the ID Finder again to confirm the exact elements you want to refine, then paste the second block of code. This set usually targets item-level elements and defines the hover transition. Smooth transitions, small delays, and hardware-accelerated properties help the effect feel polished across devices. With both snippets in place, hover your mouse over images in the gallery. You should see each picture return to its original color on hover, creating a clean, interactive reveal. If something doesn't look right, double-check your selectors against the IDs shown by the extension, and ensure there are no typos or duplicate braces in your CSS. Remember that Squarespace may cache styles briefly, so a quick refresh can help. That's it. Your gallery now has filters and a subtle, professional hover effect that enhances browsing without slowing the page.